Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to see connected Wi-Fi password on your phone. So just like in case you have a password, you're connected to a Wi-Fi and you want to share it with someone or know the password. In this video, that's what I'm going to show you. As you can see, I'm connected to this Wi-Fi solo MD. All you just have to do, follow the steps. You see that padlock right in front of the MD. Tap on it, then this QR code will just be shown. So all you have to do is just screenshot this QR code. Take a screenshot and then press OK. Okay, then after doing that, just make sure if you're picking very in this video, just make sure you subscribe. All you have to do is go back to your phone and look for any scanner. Then tap on down here where the image is, where you can get the screenshots or your gallery. Then look for where your screenshot was saved. Tap on it. Yes, the scanner scans the screenshot and brings up this. Then tap on password to show the password. My password was Schwarzenegger, so that is the password of the Wi-Fi. You can now share it. So if you don't have a scanner within your phone, just make sure you go to Google Play Store and download any scanner, as long as it does the magic for you. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.